Hope you're okay, everybody, and having a good week. We have done the PH sound over the last couple of days, so well done to all of you who had a go at that. I'm not going to do any more on that sound, but what I am going to do is I'm going to do a new sound as well, so we'll end up doing two sounds this week. And the sound that I'm going to teach you is the WH letters that make a W sound, a W or a H sound, two different sounds. So they either make this one, the W, or they make this sound, the H sound. But you have to use them together. There are more words beginning with the W sound rather than the H. So we're going to look at those today. So just a short video explaining what words begin with the WH sound. So let's have a look. We've got the W, W. So normally, let me just write down. Normally, we've got words that begin with the W, the W. So we could say water, or we can say wet. Wet water. Water is wet. So they do just begin with the W. Water and wet. And that's the sound that we're wanting. We're wanting the W, W, W. But some words have a WH letters making the W sound. So we'll have a go. Let me see what I have got. I've put sound buttons on. You're getting great at sound buttons now. And we'll have a go at this one. So there's our W, W. We don't have to go W. We just go W. W, I, sk. Whisk, whisk. Whisk your eggs. Get your bowl, you've got your whisk, and you can whisk your eggs for your pancakes, or you can whisk a smoothie together. So that's how you say whisk. You don't go whisk, whisk. You say whisk, whisk. All right? Okay with that one, let's have a go at this one. Wha, here we go. Wha, wha, I, whisper, whisper. Can you whisper? Can you whisper rather than shouting, please? Whisper. That's a good one, isn't it? You know your sound. You don't say whisper. Whisper. Yeah. Okay, well done. Let's do another one. This has got a split digraph in it. The split digraph, I. Wa, I. T. White, white. So white has the H. White. White. Mrs. Bigger has got white spots all over her t-shirt. White. Good, well done. Let's do another one with a split digraph, a different sound, not I. But the split digraph, A. So let's see how we get on with this one. Wa, A, whale, whale, whale. That's right, whale. Well done. So the whale was in the sea. Whale. Okay, good, good, good. And another one, the E sound. Eat, wheat. Wheat, gather up a box of wheat, a box of wheat, a box of wheat. Do you remember that song? Wheat for the harvest. The farmer's collecting the wheat for the harvest. Okay, and ooh, this is a big one. It's actually two words put together called a compound word. So let's have a go. Remember that sound, you've done it. Whirlpool. 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 That's a big word. So the whirlpool in the water, you know when you can empty the plug in your bath water, and right near the plug, it whirls, doesn't it? That's like a whirlpool. Makes a whirl. So whirlpool. Good. And last one. Just a really short word. Wha. Now that could be E or I. On this occasion, it's I. Wha. I. Why? Why? I'm going to put a question mark to remind you. In fact, I'll write it here. Because a lot of WH words, lots of W words are question words, actually. So why is a question word there. So why are you sad? Why are you sad? Asked the girl. Okay, good. And do you remember at the beginning of the video, I also said that the WH can also make a sound, okay? So it can either make the W, oh, it's a messy board, isn't it? I didn't use a cleaner very well. So instead of the W, we're going to look at words now that begin with WH but make a sound. There's not many. So this one, it's a tricky word actually. So that's the word who. It's not woo or wooho, it's who. Who are you talking to? Who. That's actually a tricky word to spell because the oo sound is normally the oo, isn't it? Or the EW. But this is a tricky word. Who. And then because of that, if you know who, you will know this one. Because that word is who. Whoever. Whoever left that plate lying around needs to clean it up. Whoever. Okay, and one more with a sound. You need a split digraph O. So, hole. Now that's not a hole in the ground or a hole in your shoe. That's what that hole is. This is when it gets a bit crazy, isn't it? There's so many different ways to say certain words. So if you're saying a hole in my shoe or there is a hole in my trousers, you would say that. Whereas this hole is the whole pizza. I ate the whole pizza. Not half of it, not quarter of it, but a whole pizza. Can you eat this whole apple? So it's something that's whole. That's how you spell whole. All right, so an interesting sound really, because it makes two sounds. It makes a W and it makes a H. So we'll do a quick flashcard game to finish. Then tomorrow's video is going to be a spelling quiz on the PH sound that we did, the F and the W. So let's have a quick go before you go. So whole, these are the H. Whoever and who. And then this time we've got the W sound. So let's go with Y. This big one. Whirlpool. Wheat. Split digraph. Whale. Split digraph I. White. Whisper. And whisk. Good. Let's quickly, I'm going to throw some tricky word quizzes in there. Quick tricky word spelling quiz. Just a few words. 5 words. 5 words. You've done them before. Let's just write them down. Are you ready? 5 tricky words. First word, have. This is bigger. You have put some tricky spellings in at the end of this video. Have. Next word, your. Look at your super super work. Your. I'm going to write them down. So number 1 should be have. Number 2, your. Number 3, little. Mrs. Bigger was a little bit cheeky there because she threw a spelling quiz at the end of the video in. Little. And 2 more. She. And 1 more. We'll go with my. My word, my, won't fit on my whiteboard. I've stuck it on the bottom. So have, your, little, she, and my. So you should have 5 tricky words there written down. Are you ready? If you're not quite ready, don't worry, pause it. And if you've made any mistakes, they're marvellous mistakes. Marvellous. Oh, look, I did a whisper. Whispered your marvellous mistakes. Here we go. Have, your, little, she, and my. Sorry about that. That's a little bit squashed on the end, isn't it? And if you're doing cursive at school, then you can practice writing that in your cursive. So sorry to add the little tricky word quiz at the end. I like to throw you a little bit. All right, I'll see you tomorrow, and we're going to have a quiz tomorrow for your work words there and your PH, your F words as well. So get learning those ones and we'll have a go. I wonder if Millie's around. And then on Friday, we will do, Thursday, Friday, we'll do another reading where you have to do like a Pete or something like that. So you have to read and then draw something. All right. See if Millie's around. Millie! I'll see if she's there. Is she there? Millie, come here. Quick. Here. Here she is. Come and say hello. She was sitting in her bed. Say hello, everybody. Well done with your words and your words and your tricky words that Mrs. Bigger threw in the end. There we go. All right, we'll see you later. Bye, everybody.